decided to become a lifeguard because I like being outside. I feel like it's a better job than, working inside all day. You definitely get to be around a bigger variety of people as well. The best part of being a lifeguard would definitely be sometimes getting recognition from people, them thanking you, appreciating the service that you give them. You're not just restocking shelves, you're actually helping others around you and making the community a better place. I would definitely say that it's more of working with a family than anything else. There's great team building, you're never alone, there's always somebody to kind of pick you up if you need any help. And it's great. This is a good job for a high school student because it's definitely good on your resume. You're providing medical assistance to those that might need your help. If you want to go into the medical field, that can definitely assist as well.